These 5 AI tools are so powerful, most people don't even know they exist. Seriously, what you're about to see is going to completely blow your mind. For the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 pieces of software that feel like they're from the year 3000. These aren't just little gadgets. These are game changers that are completely rewriting the rules for how we work, create, even think. If you've ever wondered how people are making insane videos, art, entire businesses overnight, this is your answer. We're living in 2025, and AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's like having a superpower. Imagine being able to write a book in a day, create a Hollywood-level movie poster in seconds, clone your own voice perfectly. That's not science fiction. That's what's happening right now. These tools are taking tasks that used to take weeks, or even a team, and letting one person do it all in minutes. It's the biggest revolution since the internet, and most people are still sleeping on it. I've spent weeks testing hundreds of AI tools to find the absolute best, most powerful, the most unbelievable ones out there. We're going to break down each one, show you exactly what it does, and how you can start using it today. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss a single second of this. Let's get into it. Alright, first up is the one you've probably heard of, but I guarantee you're not using it to its full potential. This is ChatGPT. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a team of geniuses living in your computer, ready to work 24/7 for free. It's an AI that can literally write anything you ask it to. Emails, video scripts, just like this one, entire books, computer code, you name it, it does it. We asked it to write a business plan for a new type of energy drink, and it gave us a 10-page document in 30 seconds. If you're a YouTuber like me, ask it for 50 video ideas. It gives them instantly. Then ask it to write a full script for the best one. Bam! Done. If you're a developer, tell it to write a piece of code for a website feature and it spits it out, saving you hours. Students use it to understand complex topics and get research help faster than any library. But here's the secret most people miss. It's not just about asking simple questions. You can give it a persona, act as a world-class marketing expert, and write me 5 viral tweets about my new product. We fed it all our old video scripts and told it to learn our style. The results were terrifyingly accurate. So who should be using this? Honestly, everyone. Content creator, a programmer, a student, a small business owner. Not using ChatGPT is like trying to build a house with your bare hands. You are putting yourself at a massive disadvantage. It saves you time. It scales your output. It unlocks ideas you never would have had on your own. This tool alone is changing industries, and we're just getting started. Okay, this next one is where things start to feel like actual magic. This is called Midjourney, an AI that creates museum-quality images from nothing but your words. You type a description of literally anything. It generates a stunning, high-resolution picture in about 60 seconds. Not cheesy clip art. Photorealistic, hyper-detailed art that looks like it took a pro weeks. Prompt: neon cybercity at dusk. Flying cars, holographic ads, ultra-detailed cinematic lighting. The result? Straight out of a blockbuster sci-fi movie. Next prompt: photorealistic portrait of an ancient Roman emperor eating pizza. It looked like a real photo. Level of detail, lighting, textures, flawless. Imagine needing visuals for a marketing campaign. Instead of a costly photo shoot or buying stock images, you just type what you need. Prompt example: a happy family having a picnic in a field of sunflowers. Golden hour lighting, vibrant colors. Done. a dozen unique royalty-free options in a minute. Artists use it to create concept art for movies, for video games, visualizing entire worlds before anything is built. Who is this for? Designer, artist, marketer. Anyone who needs unique visuals. Midjourney is a must-have. Not creative? It proves you wrong. Describe it. Create it. Create a logo, a t-shirt design, a YouTube thumbnail. Incredible art to hang on your wall. This AI doesn't just make images, it brings your imagination to life. Get ready, because this is easily one of the most powerful and slightly terrifying AI tools on this list. It's called ElevenLabs, and what it does is clone voices. You can upload a few minutes of someone talking, and this AI will create a perfect digital replica of their voice. Then, you can type anything you want, and the AI will say it in that voice, with stunningly realistic emotion, tone, and intonation. It's almost impossible to tell the difference. Instead of re-recording a mistake, you just type the corrected sentence, and the AI says it perfectly in your voice. You can create entire audiobooks or podcasts. Educators can create dynamic lessons, and it's a massive leap for accessibility. Need another language? Clone your voice to fluent Spanish or Japanese. If you've ever tried to edit a video, you know it can take days. Runway ML is here to destroy that problem forever. It's an entire AI-powered editing suite. Flawless background removal in one click. No green screen. The craziest feature is text-to-video. Type a cinematic shot of a car driving on a coastal road, and it generates a brand new video clip. You can prototype video ideas in minutes, add special effects, automatic color grading, motion tracking, cleaning up audio, everything to look polished and professional. A must-have for filmmakers, social creators, advertisers, anyone who wants better videos faster. The time and money this saves is staggering. Okay, for our final tool, we're looking at something that could fundamentally change how we find information online. This tool, Perplexity AI, completely flips that on its head. It's a search engine and an answer engine combined. You ask it a question, and it gives you a direct, concise answer, like a research expert. But here's what feels like the future. It shows you its work with citations and links to exact sources. Ask, what are the health benefits of a Mediterranean diet? It summarizes the benefits with little numbers next to each fact, pulling from scientific papers, articles, studies. After it answers, it suggests intelligent follow-up questions. Game changer for students, researchers, journalists, and professionals who need fast, reliable, sourced answers. It makes you smarter, faster. Get a trustworthy overview of any topic in under a minute. From writing your work with ChatGPT to creating impossible art with Midjourney, cloning your voice with ElevenLabs, editing videos with Runway ML, and becoming an expert with Perplexity. We are living in an absolutely insane time, and this technology is moving faster than anything we've ever seen. The biggest takeaway? This is just the beginning. Learn these tools now and you'll have a massive, almost unfair advantage. The revolution is happening right now, and you have a front row seat. Don't get left behind. Which tool surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews. We post new videos every single day exploring the most insane tech on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.